bakal ditayangkan di Sensasi pada 22 Mac.
Hari Muhammad Nabi.
Dan baru-baru ini juga membantu pemegang watak utama siri ini telah
Dah tadi dah lepas.
untuk bersama peminat-peminat mereka di sini. Saluran Sensasi telah diundang khas untuk mengulang mesra artis-artis ini.
There's a lot of similarities, like being bubbly, being simple, being strong. So there's a lot of characteristic of Marimar na same with me.
Well, she prepared very much for the character. So did I. And we were jailed by our director, Joyce Bernal. And that's we're very happy that even after the run in the Philippines, it's still being shown elsewhere. That right now it's being shown in Singapore. We're very happy that we can relive the spirit of the whole Marimar.
Pasangan yang cantik dan kacak ini sungguh mesra sekali apabila berhadapan di halayak ramai. Pengarah saluran Sensasi Encik Buzi Muhammad juga turut hadir pada malam itu.